Hello, aspiring marketers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unraveling the world of affiliate marketing. Dreaming of earning passive income by promoting products? You're in the right place. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. Section 1. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Section 2. Choosing the right niche. Start by identifying a niche you're passionate about. Whether it's tech gadgets, beauty products, or online courses, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and knowledge. Section 3. Finding affiliate programs. Once you've chosen a niche, it's time to find affiliate programs. Platforms like ClickBank, https://www.clickbank.com/, Amazon Associates, https://affiliateprogram.amazon.com/, and Share a Sale, https://www.sharesale.com/, offer a wide range of products to promote. Section 4. Promoting affiliate products. Now, the fun part: promotion. Use your blog, social media, or YouTube channel to share product reviews, tutorials, and how-to guides. Remember to always disclose your affiliate relationship to your audience. Section 5. Tracking and analytics. To optimize your efforts, track your affiliate links' performance. Most affiliate platforms provide analytics to help you understand which products resonate with your audience and which promotional strategies work best. Section 6. Tips for success. Build trust with your audience by promoting products you genuinely believe in. Stay updated with the latest trends in your niche, and continuously test and refine your promotional strategies. Affiliate marketing offers a fantastic opportunity to earn passive income while sharing products you love. With dedication, authenticity, and the right strategies, you can build a successful affiliate marketing venture. If you found this guide valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear about your affiliate marketing experiences, tips, or questions. Drop a comment below. And if there's a topic you'd like us to explore next, let us know. Until next time, happy promoting!